Good morning, student. In today's video, I am going to discuss equations of motion. Equations of motion. So what is equation of motion? We have already studied various terms which we are using in motion or which we are using to represent the motion: speed, acceleration, initial velocity, final velocity, the time during which the motion take place, and the acceleration by which it is take place, the distance or displacement covered by the body. These all are various terms which we are going to study or which we are already study. We know what is initial velocity, what is final velocity, what is acceleration, time and displacement. Now in today's video I am going to give an equation which will relate all these 1 to 5 these 5 terms. Okay, so let us start deriving the equations of motion by graphical method. We will derive by graphical method these equation by graphical method. Okay, graphical method. So what will we have to do in graphical method? In graphical method, let us take the motion of an object. Let us take an object. First we will draw velocity time graph. Okay, this axis represent the time and this axis represent the velocity by which it is moving. So let us start or let us consider an object which is moving with some initial velocity. कोई भी एक ऑब्जेक्ट है जो मूव कर रहा है विद सम इनिशियल वेलोसिटी. इट मीन्स इट इज नॉट स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द रेस्ट. वो उसने रेस्ट से स्टार्ट नहीं किया. इट व्हेन वी सी इट और व्हेन वी ऑब्जर्व इट, इट ऑलरेडी हैज सम इनिशियल वेलोसिटी. उसके पास ऑलरेडी कुछ इनिशियल वेलोसिटी है. सो द ग्राफ विल नॉट स्टार्ट फ्रॉम ओरिजिन बिकॉज द ऑब्जेक्ट इज नॉट इनिशियली एट रेस्ट. इट हैज सम initial velocity, so it will start from some point above in the velocity axis. Okay, let us take it A. So the object is moving with increasing velocity and attain a velocity after time t. In time t, the object reach at a position called B, and he will attain a higher position in the velocity. Let this velocity, we take it as a V, final velocity, and the initial velocity by which it is moving is, let us take U, initial velocity. Clear? Again I am revising. The object is moving with some initial velocity U, and after time t it reached to a position of B with attain a final velocity of V. Clear? So now draw a perpendicular to this axis so that we can get the slope of the object. What is slope? Slope क्या है कि एक्सिस से वो कितना इंक्लाइंड है, हाउ मच द ऑब्जेक्ट इज इंक्लाइंड. जैसे आप देखते हैं जो स्लिप करने वाला एक झूला होता है पार्क में, तो वो क्या है, अपने ग्राउंड से कुछ डिस्टेंस अबव है, कुछ थीटा एंगल बनाया है उसने. सो दैट थीटा इज द स्लोप. हाउ अबव इट इज फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द स्लोप. क्लियर? सो बिफोर ड्राइविंग द इक्वेशंस you have to remember 2 key points in deriving the equations of motion. The first key point is the slope of the velocity time graph. Slope of VT graph, velocity time graph, gives what it will give. The slope of velocity time graph will give you acceleration. It will give you acceleration. Clear? And the second one which you have to remember is the area under the graph. The area under the graph will give you the distance or displacement. Area under the graph gives distance or displacement. Okay. So let's move to the driving first equation of motion. So let's drive first equation of motion. The first equation of motion, we have three equations of motion. First equation of motion. In all the three equations, we will use the same graph, this velocity time graph. In first equation of motion, it relates, or it gives the relation between, it relates initial velocity, final velocity, acceleration and time. Clear? So in this acceleration come, so what will we have to remember? We have to remember the first point, which is the slope of velocity time graph gives the acceleration. So how will we find out the acceleration? We will use the slope of this graph. So slope of this graph is AB. AB is slope, because this is ground and this point is above the ground. So this angle will give the slope. Clear? So slope is AB. Slope is AB. Clear? So slope is AB. Clear? So how much it is above from the ground? How will we get it? By this angle theta. So tan theta, tangent of theta. Tangent of theta is perpendicular by base, tan theta. So in this right angle triangle, in right angle triangle, AB, let us take this point as D. In right angle triangle ABD, we have tan theta perpendicular by base. What is perpendicular? BD is perpendicular and AD is base. So BD upon AD. Clear? BD upon AD. And this theta is BD. What is BD? How will we find out the BD? BD is BE minus DE. Clear? So this BD is BE minus DE. This one is longer line and this one is shorter. If we subtract this whole from this one, we get the required length. So similarly, this is BE and this one is D. So we subtract BD. We subtract this one BD from whole BE. Then we get this shorter part AD. So BE is here V. And DE is this one is a rectangle OA. DE is a rectangle, so its opposite sides are equal. So if OA is equal to U, then DE must be equal to U. So V minus U, and AD is how much time? AD, this one is equal to this one OE, and it is equal to T. So divide by T, and this tan theta will give you the slope, and slope is equal to acceleration. So we will put A here. Now cross multiply this equation. By cross multiply we get what we get? By cross multiply we get AT is equal to V minus U, or V is equal to U plus AT. So this will comes out our first equation of motion, where V is final velocity, U is initial velocity, A is acceleration, and T is the time in which the distance is covered by the body. Clear? Now move to second equation of motion. Second equation of motion. second equation of motion. Second equation of motion gives the relation between between distance or displacement, initial velocity, time and acceleration. Clear? So in this, if distance have covered, what we have to remember? We have to remember our second hint. Area under the graph gives the distance or the displacement. Clear? So area under this curve, we have to find out area under this curve. Clear? So how many figures? This diagram has two figures. First one is a triangle and second one is a rectangle. So if we add the two areas, then we will get the total area under the curve. Okay. So distance is area under the curve, area under the graph or area under the curve, area under the graph. Clear? So we will use area of triangle ADB plus area of rectangle, rectangle कौन सा बन रहा है बेटा? इसमें rectangle कौन सा बन रहा है? OADE, OADE. Clear? So what is area of triangle? Is half into base into height. This is the base and this one is the height of the triangle. So half into base is AD, whereas height is BD. AD into BD plus area of rectangle. What is the area of rectangle? Length into breadth. So OA into AD. OA into AD. Clear? Now we will put values here. What is the value of AD? AD is parallel to OE. So OE is T. So we'll put AD as T. So what is the value of BD? BD. What is BD? BD we will find out beta in the previous equation also. This whole, this complete minus this one part. So complete is V and this one is U. So V minus U is BD. Clear? So V minus U is BD. Then what is OA? OA is the initial velocity. So OA is U. And AD, what is AD? AD is the similar to OE, which is equal to T. So multiply by T. Clear? Clear? So now we will multiply half V minus U multiply by T plus UT. So now we will come at this point that second equation of motion will give the relation between these four terms, relation between these four terms S, U, T and A. We will get U, we will get T, we'll get T, we get S. So what is not there in the equation? A is not there. So we have to eliminate final velocity because we don't need final velocity in second equation of motion. So how will we eliminate it? We will use our first equation of motion, which is equal to V is equal to U plus AT. By substituting this value, by substituting the value of capital V in this equation, we can get the value of in terms of A and T. Clear? So we'll put the value of V, which is equal to U plus AT minus U into T plus UT. Clear? So it will come out to be cancel because that is positive and this one is negative. So what we get, AT multiplied by T comes out to be AT square plus UT. Here comes out our second equation of motion. S is equal to UT plus half AT square, where S is displacement or distance, A is the acceleration, T is the time, U is initial velocity and again T is the time. I hope आपको ये समझ में आया होगा. अब हम जल्दी से एक बार रिकैप कर लेते हैं इसका. ठीक है. What we have to do, we have to calculate or derive the equations of motion. बेटा हमें क्या करना है, equations of motion निकालनी है. Equations of motion क्या होती हैं? Equations of motion है ऐसी equations जो हमें motion की different physical quantities को relate करके दें, ताकि हम क्या कर सकें, अगर हमें initial velocity given है तो हम final velocity निकाल सकें, अगर हमें इनिशियल फाइनल टाइम गिवन है तो हम एक्सेलरेशन निकाल सके. तो क्या मिल जाएगा इससे, हमें एक रिलेशन मिला है. क्लियर. सो इन बाय ग्राफिकल मेथड, एंड वी विल यूज ग्राफिकल मेथड टू फाइंड आउट द इक्वेशंस ऑफ मोशन. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू रिमेंबर टू की पॉइंट्स. द स्लोप ऑफ दिस वेलोसिटी टाइम ग्राफ गिव्स द एक्सेलरेशन एंड द एरिया अंडर दिस ग्राफ गिव्स द डिस्टेंस और डिस्प्लेसमेंट. क्लियर. When you have to find out the acceleration, use the slope, and when we have to find out the distance or displacement, we have to use the area. Clear? So let us come to this graph. How this graph will come? An object is moving with some initial velocity. It is not moving from rest. If it's moved from rest, we'll start our graph from origin. But it is, when we have observed it, it is already in the motion. So we'll start our graph from this point A, that the object is moving with some initial velocity u. After time t, it arrives to position B. It arrived to position P. Clear? In time t, and attain a final velocity of v. Clear? This is clear to you? So the graph is divided into two figures. First one is a triangle and second one is a rectangle. Clear? And we know that rectangles opposite sides are equal. So if OA is equal to U, then DE must be equal to U. Clear? And if OE, because the object has covered the distance in time t, so OE is t, then AD must be equal to t. Clear? This we will use in our second equation of motion. Now come to first equation of motion. It relate U initial velocity, V final velocity, A acceleration and T time. Clear? So we'll use the slope. Slope is AB because this point is above from the ground. So this will give the slope, and slope is giving the acceleration. If we apply tan theta in this triangle, right angle triangle, tan theta is perpendicular by base and this one is perpendicular. BD is perpendicular. How we will get BD? BD is BE minus DE. इस complete length में से बेटा ये छोटी वाली length हम जब subtract कर देंगे, इस complete में से ये छोटी वाली length जब हम subtract कर देंगे तो हमारे पास कौन सी length रह जाएगी? BD. ठीक है. तो ये complete क्या है हमारा? V है. V. और ये छोटे वाला क्या है? U. तो V minus U क्या आ गया हमारे पास? BD आ गया. Clear? और AD क्या है हमारा? T. Clear? So if we will cross multiply this, and when we cross multiply this, we get V is equal to U plus AT. Clear? And now come to second equation of motion. Second equation of motion relate initial velocity, time, acceleration and distance. Clear? And in this equation, the distance has come. So we have to use our second hint, which is area under the graph gives the distance or the displacement. Clear? So area, what is the area under the graph? It is in the form of two figures. One is triangle and second one is rectangle. If we have to find out the area, then I have to add the area of triangle as well as area of the rectangle. That is what I have written here. Area of triangle ADB and area of rectangle OADE. So what is area of triangle? Half into base, AD is base, which is equal to T, and height BD is V minus U. That is what we have written. V minus U into T plus U into T. That is get UT and this. And now the second equation of motion does not include final velocity, so we have to eliminate it. But how we will eliminate it? By using first equation. So put the value of v here, which is equal to u plus at minus u cancel out, and it comes out to be ut plus half at square. Clear? Thank you, student.